Hey there, nature lovers! Today I'm diving into the world of butterflies and sharing some mind-blowing facts that might surprise you. Let's get started. First up, did you know butterflies taste with their feet? Yes, you heard that right. They have taste receptors on their feet, which help them identify suitable plants for laying eggs and detecting nectar sources. When a female butterfly lands on a plant, she drums the leaves with her feet, releasing plant juices to determine if it's the right host plant for her larvae. Next, despite their vibrant colors, butterfly wings are actually transparent. They're covered with thousands of tiny scales that reflect light in various colors. As butterflies age, these scales can fall off, revealing the transparent membrane beneath. Butterflies are also on a liquid diet. Adult butterflies can only consume liquids, primarily nectar. Their mouthparts are modified into a proboscis, a long tubular structure that functions like a straw, allowing them to sip their meals. Being cold-blooded, butterflies can't regulate their body temperature internally. They need an optimal body temperature of about 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 28 degrees Celsius, to fly efficiently. On cooler days, they bask in the sun to warm up their flight muscles. Some butterflies have evolved to mimic the appearance of other species that are toxic or unpalatable to predators. This mimicry helps them avoid predation by deceiving potential threats into thinking they're not a suitable meal. Many butterflies have eye spots on their wings, which can startle or mislead predators. These spots may deflect attacks away from vital body parts, increasing the butterfly's chances of survival. The monarch butterfly is renowned for its long migration, traveling up to 3,000 miles from North America to central Mexico for the winter. This incredible journey spans multiple generations. Most adult butterflies have a brief lifespan, typically living for about 2 to 4 weeks. However, some species, like the brimstone butterfly, can live up to 9 months, especially those that hibernate during winter. There are approximately 24,000 species of butterflies worldwide, showcasing a vast diversity in size, color, and behavior. Some butterfly species, like the monarch, possess the ability to sense the Earth's magnetic field, aiding in their navigation during long migrations. These intriguing facts highlight the complexity and wonder of butterflies, offering a deeper appreciation for these delicate insects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating nature facts.